I'll say hi to your group over there.
I feel like most of our group probably knows who you are. But for everybody else who isn't in our group, my name is Nate Hibbert. This is my older brother, Stephen Hibbert. And we have been very focused on running a print-on-demand business for the last 2 years pretty strongly. We've dabbled in a lot of things. I have been doing graphic design for about 10 years, a little bit longer than that. And that's just like what I like to do and my passion. And I've had other jobs before I was full-time working for myself, doing graphic design. And so I just really enjoy that. So now being able to use my talents for something that I have more control over and can work from my bed some days when it's really cold is super nice. So that's
all day today.
Literally all day.
In Florida, really cold.
Yeah. I don't want to say that part.
Sorry. I'll say it.
I'm already working from my bed. It's not good. We live in Florida.
Hard to make it feel bad for us when you say where we're at. My name is Steven. Hopefully everybody knows who I am. I've kind of followed Jenni around for the last 3 years. A lot of ideas have come directly from her. So if you say, hey, that 5-step test is really cool, Jenni has kind of gave us that idea. I've been selling online for 15 years. I've kind of run the gamut of every platform. For the last 6 years, Nathaniel's been working, I'd say, for me. He's been packing the boxes, doing the returns, doing a lot of stuff that I just did not like to do. That was a decent fit for our business. It wasn't really a good use of Nathaniel's skills. He was really a good graphic designer. When merch came about, we started dabbling in that. I think Nathaniel really started just because it was his creativity. He could use his graphic knowledge and start doing listings. Then he was starting to have some success. He asked me to help him out, and I was like, I got like 15 other things that I'm doing. I can't help you. So let me just look at it. And then he was saying the art is what's selling his shirt. I found out that it might be true that's what's selling a shirt, but nobody can find the shirt. So me helping him be able to get his shirts in front of customers is kind of where that started taking off. Then I found out pretty much what me and Jenni are going to be talking about in Nathaniel today, the benefits of selling without having to go and source inventory. And then that's when me and Nathaniel were like, oh, let's go all in on this. Let's start helping people. Again, Jenni kind of pushed us out there to start helping people more. That's how we started our group. And then just a lot of creative thinking. I think we kind of started with merch, and now we're moving into just all of print on demand. The creative abilities that Jenni has to think about different problem solving and helping and serving people, we kind of take that to heart and kind of follow her lead. But she had a very interesting idea, and we were like, yeah, let's go all in on that and just find more ways that we can work together.
And we have fun along the way, which is like the most important thing. So this is kind of weird. I was thinking about, like, you guys were broadcasting in your group or broadcasting on my page. So who's the host? I don't know, but we hopefully, as you guys join us in this conversation, we're going to have, you'll get a feel of the three of us just love working together. And so we're a team. And so that's kind of why I think we're also in the insiders group broadcasting. Did that happen? Sure. Awesome. Oh my gosh.
Jenni.
I like your shirt. I haven't seen that one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I might want one of those.
We send you a hat and a shirt.
Yeah, send me a hat and a shirt. Awesome. Okay.
Don't let us come to your house, because that whole back wall will be graffiti.
Oh yeah, shoot! I didn't think about that. Right? Okay. That's funny.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about anything that we talked about, check the description of this video.